it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this male duck using my very own cutters that I've had designed. All the products throughout the tutorial will be listed in the description box below. Now set out your two rolling pin guides 4 inches apart and roll out the yellow modelling paste. These are really good to get an accurate thickness and level of your modelling paste. Next, use the biggest cutter and cut out your duck. As you can see, I'm cutting out his feet. Just remember to turn the cutter over so you get left and right. Oh, and don't forget to roll out the modelling paste thinner than the first time. You don't want him having big feet. This next bit's a bit quackers. Just roll out really thick and then press the paste inwards to create the beak. Now with the curved tool, just make the opening of his mouth. Don't forget to give him them dimples, that's what gives him character. Time for the tie or hair bow. After cutting it out, enhance it by curling up the edges. How cool is that? Roll some modelling paste into a bowl to make the centre. Add in some crease lines to make it look more realistic. Time to make a big splash with some feet and curly toes. To make the eye socket, mark their position. With the curved tool, add a slight ridge for each eye position, remembering not to go too deep. Cut out 2 pupils and attach so the duck can see. Turning the duck upside down makes painting the iris colour much more easier. To add a reflection point to the eyes, simply roll out and place 2 small white dots to each eye. Now it's time to add some eyelashes. This is optional, but I like to add in some hair to make the duck look a true individual. Extra depth is added by enhancing the outside features of the duck. Using the edible dust truly does just finish the look. And here we have the finished 2 cute little ducks. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.